Welcome to this presentation on the hybrid flexible Flowshop with transportation times. This is joint work by Eddie Armstrong from Johnson & Johnson Research in Limerick, Michele, Garraffa, Barry O'Sullivan, and myself, Helmut Simonis from University College Cork. What we will discuss in the presentation is a new variant of a known scheduling problem. It's the hybrid flexible Flowshop with transportation times. And we will explain what that all means in more detail in the presentation. We solve this with different approaches, with CP, with MIP, with local search, and we find that CP works quite well. And we also study a factory layout problem, so a more high-level design problem. How does the layout of the factory or multiple factories affect the scheduling? And we compare different high-level design scenarios and look at the results. So what's the problem? Here we have an example factory. We have a production flow from left to right. So raw materials are on the left and finished products on the right. And the jobs run through the different stages of production. And we have in each stage multiple machines which can perform the same job. And we then have to transport the items between machines of the different stages. And we use little robots. And the transportation times become important here. It's not a resource constraint. We have enough robots, but the time it takes to actually go from one end of the factory to another is significant compared to the overall transportation time, to the overall scheduling time. So this is the overall problem, and we want to solve that on a large scale. So here we have the result, and we get something like in 5 minutes results for a few hundred jobs. They are not optimal, but they are of high enough quality that they can be used.